Alright, how you doing? So I'm going to make some Singapore noodles today. So you can use any type of noodles you want. We've got chicken, shrimps, egg, a few little veg in there, a little bit of curry powder, which kind of makes it the Singapore style. Add chili if you want. It's really easy, it's beautiful. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, going to make this one nice and easy. So we've roughly got equal parts here. Some are slightly more than others. You can adjust that how you want. They're about a cup each. So bell peppers red, onion, frozen peas, chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into nice thin pieces. And here I've got some cooking shrimps. You can see I've basically got a little bit more of these two than these guys, but basically a cup or just over a cup. Tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Now, with Singapore noodles, you can kind of put anything you want in. You might get a little bit of chopped char siu pork in there or something like that, or some extra fresh chilies. This is my little version. We're going to get on with it, but first I'll show you the noodles. Again, many types of noodles. So noodles, there's so many types of noodles. There's these miswa, which is really thin, canton or pancit. Then you've got this kind of more kind of tagliatelle type, you know, the thick kind of type there. You've got flour, you've got rice, you've got all different types, potato ones. There's so many types. Choose the ones you want. What I'm using today is a white rice noodle. I'll show you that now. So these are the noodles that I'm using. And some noodles require you to boil them first. These ones require you to put them into some hot water. Some you can put straight in dry and they'll work in the wok. So yeah, choose your noodles how you want. This is what I'll be using today. So you're going to need a wok, a skillet or a frying pan or something. I've got some oil in there. I'm using corn oil. You can use a different oil if you want. We're going to start off by dropping in the garlic. Just give it a few seconds in there by itself. Then in goes the onion. And to that we're going to add the chicken. Chicken breast I'm using with no skin, no bone. Cut nice and thin as you can see. I'll be back in about 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving, we're on a high heat. Fantastic. We're now going to go in with our prawns or shrimps. These are our uncooked cooking shrimp. They were frozen. I rinsed them out in a little bit of warm water. We're going to go in now with our peas, our bell pepper, and like I say, anything kind of goes in here. You can get some celery in there, some carrots in there. Like I say, a little bit of chopped char siu pork in there. Anything goes. Right, stay on the high heat and go for another 4 minutes. Fabulous. Salt, black pepper, 2 teaspoons of the curry powder. If you want, you can get a little bit of soy sauce in here. I like it just without that. Then time for our noodles. Then we're going to work our noodles in, fry them around for about another 5 minutes or so. Oh, I'll show you something with the noodles. 1 second. So depending on the size of your noodles, some of them are super long. Get in there and give them a haircut. They're much easier to then fry around in the pan. You don't have to do it for all types of noodles, but some are very long. Much easier now to stir fry this. Just a little tip. See you in about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, beautiful. Now if you wanted, like I say, some fresh chili in there, one more thing to do. So off goes the heat. Back in a moment. So I've just taken our noodles and set them to one side. I've got a little pan here, touch of oil. In here I've got 3 eggs and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. In that goes. On a high heat again, we're just going to cook this. Once it's all cooked, we're going to get the noodles back on, mix this in, job done. Okay, noodles are back on the pan. In goes that egg with the oyster sauce. One more little mix. I'll see you at the table. Beautiful. Steaming, steaming hot. Absolutely wonderful. Add what you like, take out what you don't like. It's really versatile, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, just enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.